Hello, this is English. Today I'm gonna make mushy chicken soup noodle with roast pork and boiled egg. First, I simmer chicken, bone, and some vegetable such as carrot, green onion, and stuff like that. So I'm stirring, and I simmer for a long time. And now this is a chicken, and I squeeze soup with towel. I'm trying to extract thick soup. So now I'm boiling egg, and then next I'm roasting pork. So and this is best scene. You know, the sound of grilling. It makes me excited. And in addition, this is the one of the best thing sound of. This is sound of adding liquid such as sake, soy sauce. So this sound makes me hyper. So and I add some sugar, honey, and I'm stirring it. So and it's a salty and sweet taste. So it's called chashu in Japanese. And then I put the garlic and green onion, and I simmer a few minutes. And I soak pork and boiled egg in the sauce overnight in the fridge. They absorb the sauce. And now I'm trying to let air out of plastic bag. I'm breathing, but it's hard. I tried a lot of times. Yeah, in 10,000 years, I finally finished. Now I'm next step. It's a chopping vegetable finely. So and I tried cutting video effect like this. I pretend to cut them only one stroke. Yeah, like this. So and then when I roast them, I try cutting movie effect again. That I finished roasting by snapping my fingers, but I failed. Anyway, I made good smelling oil that contain green onion and garlic flavor. Similarly, I'm making chicken flavor oil. So this is a chicken flavor oil, and we can eat the chicken skin. Now I'm cutting roast pork. This is one of the best thing. So here, oh, it's a beautiful cross section. Yeah, also egg, boiled egg. It's a perfect cooked. Beautiful cross section. And then I boiled noodle in the hot water. Yeah, after that, now I'm finishing. I'm putting salt, oil, and chicken soup. Yeah, here, this is chicken soup. And I'm arranging pork, egg, and green onion. Yeah, like this. Yeah, roast pork, egg, and green onion. And then I'm eating. So by the way, this video, some parts of this video has no sound. So yeah, it's my fault. So yeah, sorry for it. And then now I noticed that the last video I first narration I say yeah a lot of times. So before audience had me notice that I say yeah really a lot. So these days I tried not to say yeah, but also last video I use yeah a lot, especially when I eat, because I got excited. So this is my pattern. When I get excited, I use yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to face it. So I improve it and use other words or I use yeah appropriately. Yeah. Oh, come on. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, see you next video. So I'm happy to subscribe my channel, and yeah, I'm happy to you watch other my video.